Discover the health benefits of oranges. From the nutrients that provide a great source of vitamins, this wonderful fruit can give us a great quality of life. Welcome to Health, Food and Life. Good source of protective antioxidants. It's well known that citrus, and notably oranges, are rich in vitamin C, which has valuable antioxidant properties and helps protect cells from damage. They're also high in carotenoids including beta-cryptoxanthin, which the body converts to vitamin A, and the blood orange provides lycopene. Oranges contain health-promoting compounds known as flavanones. Research suggests that these phytochemicals help support the body and protect us from conditions such as heart disease and cancer. They're also thought to have anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antimicrobial benefits. What's more, orange peel actually contains higher amounts of certain nutrients than the flesh, so using recipes that incorporate the zest of an orange will give your diet an extra boost. May support heart health. Research suggests that one of these antioxidant compounds, called hesperidin, may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. This research also suggests that consuming citrus fruits as part of a healthy diet may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. A clinical study reported that a daily glass of orange juice for 4 weeks has a blood-thinning effect and may reduce blood pressure. Further studies suggest including citrus in the diet protects against cardiovascular disease by reducing oxidative damage and inflammation, and improving the health of blood vessels. May protect against kidney stones. Oranges are a good source of citrates which are believed to help prevent the formation of kidney stones. May help prevent iron deficiency anemia. Oranges are not a reputable source of iron, but they are a good source of vitamin C and citric acid, two compounds which when consumed with iron-rich foods improves our uptake of this important mineral. May promote better brain function. There is some promising research into the role of flavonoids in the diet, including improvements in memory and cognition as well as the prevention of neurodegenerative conditions. However, it is too early to say whether oranges, in particular, have a significant impact on brain health. Are oranges safe for everyone? Most of us can safely enjoy oranges as part of a balanced diet. However, there are rare reports of allergies. Also, if you suffer from heartburn, you may find eating oranges or drinking juice aggravates your symptoms. Finally, if you are prescribed certain medication, including some blood pressure drugs, you may need to exercise caution when consuming citrus fruit, including oranges. This is because nutrients in the fruit, such as potassium, may interact with your medication.